May senior ka na bang alaga? Hey guys, Doc Ara here. And here are some care tips para sa inyong senior na aso o pusa. Paano nga malalaman if senior na yung alaga mo? Here is actually an age chart para sa inyong mga dogs. For dogs, considered as senior na kapag nasa 6 to 10 years old. And for cats. For cats naman kapag nasa 10 years old na sila. Take note, hindi po totoo yung 1 year is equivalent to 7 years sa human age. It depends sa sizing. Tip number 1 is vet checkups. At least mga twice a year or every 6 months. Kasi early detection is key para may longer and healthier life sila. Dahil matanda na sila, sasakit ng mga kasukasuan yan. So better mabigyan sila ng mga supplements for their joints. Specifically, maganda yung may mga glucosamine and also chondroitin. Since ang chondroitin, it helps promote yung healthy cartilage and joints, and it works together with glucosamine to maintain joint health, reducing inflammation. One good example is itong hip and joint by The Perfect Paws. Since meron siyang chondroitin, glucosamine, at may turmeric pa as anti-inflammatory. Another good supplement is yung omega fatty acids. So yung mga salmon oil natin, makakatulong to reduce inflammation and lalo sa mga joints nila. One example is yung Wild Alaskan Salmon Oil ng The Perfect Paws rin. Next, focus on their comfort. Go for soft beddings. Kung may mga aakitan sila, mag-build na kayo ng mga ramp at maglagay na kayo ng mga non-slip mats para iwas madulas or even injury. Next is adjusting their diet. Go for a diet na hindi na fatty, high calories, iwasan nyo yun. Go for a diet na may senior formula na. And yung interval ng kain pwedeng maging 2 times na lang or minsan yung iba 1 time. Basta ang need ng mga senior dogs or cats natin, fewer calories with high fiber. And better if may supplements for joint support. At syempre, huwag kakalimutan yung mental stimulation nila. So meaning, bigyan nyo pa rin sila ng mga puzzles, toys, kahit mga 10 to 20 minute walk. It can actually help prevent cognitive decline. By doing this, ini-ensure natin na masavor rin nila yung mga golden years nila. Pero kapag napansin nyo may kakaiba na sa senior dog nyo, don't forget guys, to consult your veterinarian.